Not drinking your water?
Huh?
You're not drinking your water? Shit, my feet kill me every day, man.
Huh?
My feet.
Why?
Oh, I have problems long 25 years. Flat fasciitis.
Oh yeah?
I think the other guy has problems like that. Your buddy John, isn't it?
John? Maybe. Garbage? Here?
Yeah, yeah. It's 4 o'clock almost.
Almost quitting time?
5, but I still have a lot of shit to do.
Yeah, eh? It's almost like I knew it was going to clear. It's almost like I knew it was going to clear.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's what I'm just thinking. You sit in the water and you feel it, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking the same thing. the best thing since sliced bread, man.
Yeah, this. So many people love this.
Huh?
So many people love this.
Yeah, guys. Your idea, right?
Yeah.
I invented a couple things, you know, and I didn't pursue it.
I think you told me that.
Huh?
I think you told me that.
Yeah, man. I think myself sometimes.
Yeah.
But that's gone, done. I buy the things online for the bathtub. But the big one, the last one, I think that's $1 billion business. I look at many situations on the road in the night, police, fire truck, ambulance, and they're stopping in the dark with light. You put an antenna in your car, like hidden, you know. When you're ready, like come on.
Oh yeah?
Well, emergency vehicle.
Yeah, yeah.
I went to University Avenue and I invented a company with that.
Really?
Huh?
Nothing came of it?
No, they give me someone's card to go Scarborough to design it and then get it patented.
Yeah.
But I didn't go no further. I don't have money.
Problem. You need money to make money.
Yeah, because this guy who's going to design it is going to be a couple $1,000.
Oh, for sure.
But that's going to be on the road big, man. I will see it in my lifetime. Oh, you know, wash that out. Wait, that mop, all the mop
Lame
string, eh?
A little bit of everything. Is that gold?
You found gold. So this sideline business is good?
Yes and no. Like it's, I'm gonna make what, $250.
Huh?
I'm gonna make $250
Oh, tonight?
tonight.
No, I mean in general, you have get it caught?
It's slow. Like when I put out ads,
Yeah.
I get calls. But if I don't have any money for ads, then I can't make no. Like the calls come in like maybe 2, 3, 4 a month, but it's not something I'm pursuing a lot, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I got doing this, so it's like,
And then time with the family too.
yeah,
That's my thing. I have my little grandson.
yeah.
And my feet and knees not the best now. But I used to renovate basements. I do a lot of plumbing. You know, I do. People looking for me.
Yeah, right?
But I no more, man. You have big kids now?
Big kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, my son's 15. And my daughter is almost 9. 9 next month.
One wife.
Huh?
One wife.
What's that?
One wife.
One wife, yes. One wife.
No, maybe you have a lady on the side, couple kids again.
No, I don't do stuff like that.
Huh?
I keep it fucking straight. That's the best way to do it. It's, you know what I mean? All done, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Till next time, Taragna.